Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to restore this 5-year-old wig. This wig is regular store beauty supply store hair. It's not a virgin. It's not any of that type of hair. It is human hair, but it's not like a high quality human hair. I have two types of hair on this wig. This wig has uh cheap Sally beauty supply store hair in the back, and this was like 5 years ago beauty supply store hair from Sally's, not the Sally's now. um when their beauty supply store hair kind of looked like doll hair. And also so a pack of hair in the front. I think I paid $20 for like 12 inches for a pack. And then the back was Sally's was, I guess, revamping their hair or whatever, so the back of the hair was $10 for 10 inches. So yeah, so the ends now, because the wig is so old, they're starting to swell up. And you know how like Barbie doll hair does when it gets old. It's starting to swell up and look all tattered. So I'm just going to restore this old wig. Also, the hair was dyed in the front, and you're going to see later on in the video that the hair in the front, once I use the detangler on it as a deep conditioner, the hair in the front that has been dyed has now a little more vibrancy to that dyed hair. Now, all I'm doing here is I'm just spraying the wig with my Fine Mist spray bottle with water. That's it. And I'm going to put the Smooth Through detangler all over the wig. That's what I'm going to do. Nothing special. I'm just going to lay it all over the wig. Now, I did not tack the wig down, so you'll see it sliding around, but that's okay. So I started, I was going to squeeze it on the wig, but I was like, nah. So I just decided to squeeze some in my hand and just literally lay it on the wig. That's it. And then, as you'll see later on in the video, that I'll start combing through the wig to detangle the hair. And this is when I was experimenting with bobs. This is about like 5 years ago. I love layered bobs, and I just wanted to experiment around. So I just bought this hair. I didn't want to buy any expensive hair to play around with. So this is just, I just went about this. And I just kept the wig in my wig stash. You know, we all have one. Don't judge me. I kept the wig in my wig stash, and I just brought it out to show you guys how to restore a old wig. As you can see, I've combed through the wig. It is completely detangled. So I'm going to rinse the hair, shampoo the hair, deep condition. So I'm going to do this wig like I would do my hair or my daughter's hair. So I'm going to rinse the detangler out, because the detangler is not a leave-in. Do not leave it in your hair. I'm going to shampoo it, and I'm going to deep condition it for about 20 minutes under a hooded dryer like I would my hair or my daughter's hair. And I'm going to blow dry the wig, and then I will show you what the hair looks like at that point. Okay, the hair has been shampooed. The detangler has been rinsed out. The hair has been shampooed, deep conditioned, lightly blow dried. And I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like now. Even the hair that has been dyed has been restored. And again, this is two different types of hair. So one is I can't think of the name of it, but it's a very inexpensive store pack of hair. Some type of goddess something, I think. But anyway, I'm just curling the hair, and I'm just separating. I'm just putting some round barrel curls in it. And that's pretty much it. That's it, you guys. And I just want to show you how you can restore your old wigs. So don't throw your old wigs away. Get the detangler, detangle the wig, and see if you can, see if you can get a little more life out of the wig, because wigs cost a lot of money. So I'd rather buy the detangler and restore my wig than to throw the wig away, especially if I like the wig. But this is a very old wig. It's not a lace anything. Like I said, this wig is like 5 years old when I was experimenting on bobs. But as you can see, it restored back beautifully. And there's a picture at the end that I showed you guys with the wig on my head. Now, I did not tack the wig down. I did not tighten the cap. I didn't do anything. I just literally set the wig on my head so you guys can see what it looked like. So it's not tacked down properly, but I just want to show you guys how the wig is restored. If you look at the curls on the hair, the red curls, how they're more vibrant now, how they look, they have more of a shine, they're more glossy. And that is strictly because I used the detangler as a deep conditioner. I didn't add any gloss, any polish, any of that. I don't like my hair, and I don't like my wigs weighed down, so I don't like to put any product in my hair. So as you can see, the curls look very glossy, very shiny, and that's simply because I used the detangler as a deep conditioner. That's it. Now I'm just fluffing the wig out. I wanted some free-formed layers in it, and that's all I did, you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys. Oh, get ready for our 4th of July sale. We are going to have a 4th of July sale, so be on the lookout for that. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.